Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Superantigen is produced by Staphylococcus aureus. Thank you. Acute phase reactants in acute inflammation are albumin, fibrinogen, and haptoglobin are acute phase reactants. Albumin, fibrinogen, and haptoglobin are acute phase reactants. In this fibrinogen and haptoglobin, these are positive acute phase reactants, whereas albumin is actually a negative acute phase reactant. Thank you. C-reactive proteins they are actually beta-1 globulin and they are non-specific inflammatory protein. They are beta-1 globulin and non-specific inflammatory protein. Thank you. The span of C-reactive half-life of C-reactive protein is 18 hours. It is 18 to 19 hours. Thank you.
thank you and thank you for watching.